man, it's James. Open up.
Hey, man. Come on in. Come on in.
You you got much, man? I mean, I gotta tell you, man, this place looks worse than ever.
Yeah, haven't been out much. Just kind of staying here, you know.
Your eyes all right? Look swollen.
Yeah, no, I've just been crying a little bit.
Okay. Hey man, did you have that HDMI cable that you bought a couple weeks ago? Mark and a bunch of guys were gonna come over and watch a movie, and watch on the big screen.
Yeah, should be around here somewhere.
Are you sure you're okay, man? Because you look like you're sick or something.
Yeah, feel miserable. Found that Jennifer, my fiance, died in a car accident, so.
What?
Yeah, car went over an embankment, burst into flames, couldn't retrieve anything. Not even a body. That's why I've been in here all boo-hooing. Why I haven't seen you guys so much lately. Why I wasn't at Rachel's party.
I don't know. But, I mean, I'm at a loss for words, man.
Yeah, I know. The police gave me. They gave me these pamphlets about letting go and the grieving process. They kind of help. You know, I'm glad you stopped by. Feels good to talk to someone about this. You and I are cool, right? We can talk.
Yeah. Of course, man. Of course we talk. Anytime.
It's good. You know, when I got the phone call, I was.
Now, I mean, do you want to talk like this instant?
I was thinking we could talk now. Huh.
It's just now's it's not a good time. I've got a lot of people are coming over, and kind of told them I'd pop in real quick. I mean, I'm sure they'll be fine on their own. I mean, I could keep them waiting.
This is just no. I wouldn't want you to do that.
Yeah, I really shouldn't do that. I really, shouldn't keep them waiting. You understand? Hey, listen, man, you're gonna be okay. There's a lot of other fish in the sea. The HDMI cable, dude. Just that everyone's coming over. We're kind of counting on it.
cable, right?
Yeah, I got the cable. Yeah, it's crazy in there.
Let's just go have fun with everyone.